my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. First of all, we have finally hit 1000 subscribers. I'm so happy about it. Thank you to everyone who's watched my videos, who's liked, shared, disliked, subscribed, leave a comment. Thank you so much for it. Please keep supporting me like this, and I'm pretty sure we'll reach a lot more milestones soon. So, now coming back to today's video, as you must have guessed from the title and the thumbnail, that this video is about my shoe collection. I don't own like 100 pair of shoes. I think I have a decent collection, and I think like a normal person does not need even these many shoes. कुछ बेसिक पेयर ऑफ शूज होने चाहिए, some वाइट स्नीकर्स, हील्स एक दो अच्छी, लाइक स्टर्डी कंफर्टेबल हील्स, दो तीन फ्लैट्स होने चाहिए, एक इंडियन वेयर, एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. Now I'll stop babbling and we'll directly get into the video. So if you will like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment and tell me which is your favorite pair of shoes. I'll try to find all the links and mention them in the description bar. Don't forget to check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Let's expand this family. Share my channel with all your friends. And yeah, now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. The first pair of boots are from Club Factory. They're grey in color, and I will admit that these are not the most comfortable pair of shoes, but I think I got them for very cheap, like 800 rupees, and for that price I think they're worth it. Next are these boots that I got from Lulu and Sky, and look at them, they're so beautiful. I love the embellishment on the heels, the shimmery rose gold look. These are like very party appropriate, and these will completely dress up your outfit. Now next category is heels. I've got two heels for you, and both of them are block because I just like wearing block heels because they are very comfortable. First is this one from Red Tape, and these are black in color. They are slingbacks, I think these are called, and they're peep toe. They are very comfortable, suede material, तो थोड़ा जल्दी गंदा हो जाता है, but that's not a problem. And then next I've got this transparent heel that I bought from Myntra. If you've watched a few videos of mine, you must already know कि ये मेरी कितनी ज़्यादा favorite है. I filmed a video all dedicated to them, styling them in various ways. Then these were my yearly favorites too. I really like how versatile they are. Next I've got four mules. These yellow mules are the perfect pop of color to make make any outfit different. If I'm wearing something very simple, just a jeans or a t-shirt वाला कोई outfit है, so I'll just put on these yellow mules, and they are like a statement piece. They really look very good, and these are very comfortable too. The yellow one and these black ones both are from Street Style store. They've got some very inexpensive shoes, so you can check them out. These ones have a little bit of a formal touch with the tan and the black and the gold buckle. So you can wear them if you have to go to a formal meeting or a formal event. Next I've got these mules from Dressberry. First of all, I really like their color. I got them specifically for the color, and the silver pearl embellishment is also very cute. These have a little bit of a heel, which is again silver in color. The heel is a little uncomfortable because the shape of the heel is somewhat odd, I would say. But all in all, this is a very cute pair of mules to dress up your look. And the last pair are these pink ones that I got from Dressberry. These are a little heavy, but definitely the most comfortable pair. These were a little expensive too, but they look very good. Again, they've got a formal touch to it, so you can wear it for your office, or if you a formal day on your college. And these look good with pants, with jeans. You can pair them in a lot of ways. Next category is obviously very comfortable sports shoes or sneakers. First, I've got these chunky sneakers that a lot of people really like, and even I like wearing them. I got them from Koofs, and they are off-white in color. These are obviously very much in trend, and they look so chic and trendy and very street style. I really like how I can pair them with dresses, with jeans, with almost everything. I'm so sorry for the condition of the next shoes. These are my Nike running shoes, and I wear them for the gym, hence the really gross condition. I'm so sorry. I wear them every day for the gym, so they are a bit used up, as you can see. These are so comfortable. They're very flexible and lightweight and perfect for outdoor activities or sports or like gymming and everything. Now next are these sneakers that I got from Adidas. These are the Adidas Stan Smith, and they're white in color. Now I should have cleaned them before making this video, but that's how I normally wear them, so I did not clean them. These are very comfortable obviously, and I think everyone needs a white pair of shoes in their life. The last pair of sneakers are from Vans. I love them because of the blue tie-dye print. The blue is so pale and very pretty. These are a little bigger for me, और मैंने इसमें से जुगाड़ू तरीके से एक insole डाल के I have make them of my size, क्योंकि कोई भी जूता थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो आप उस पर एक एक्स्ट्रा insole डाल के उसको अपने साइज का बना सकते हो. Again, Vans के shoes काफ़ी comfortable होते हैं. Next category is sliders. I live in them. Now the first one is not a slider. It is a like a flats kind of a scene. These checkered flats are like used to be my favorite. They're still one of my favorites because they are very comfortable. They have that spiral wala bottom, वो जो woven type का होता है. As you can see, I've worn them so much. Side से थोड़ा फटने भी लग गया है. Do you remember how much these first sliders were in rage back in 2018? I got them back then and I wore them, but अभी I don't wear them a lot. Also इनको गर्मियों में नहीं पहना जाता because इनसे बहुत ज़्यादा sweating हो जाती है. But still a very cute pair, and like किसी भी outfit को extra करना हो तो you can put these on. I have two more sliders. As I said before, I live in sliders. I love wearing them. मैं इन्हीं को पहनती हूँ. They are so comfortable. Next I've got these satin pink sliders from Dressberry. I think they are Puma के sliders का knockoff. These are again आगे से boys men, very comfortable. And the last pair is from Westside. According to me, Westside makes very good sliders. Whenever I go there, I always get a pair from there. They are very comfortable and now the next category is flip-flops, aka fancy chappal ka naam. I've got these two flip-flops. Now again, I'm so sorry for the first one. I wore these on my Andaman trip and I swear I've washed them. It's just that कि वो थोड़े से घिस गए हैं तो वो लग रहा है कि वो गंदे हैं. I really love this ombre yellow से orange वाला flip-flop. How cute is it? Now the last category is ethnic. Of course, you've got to have one ethnic footwear. These first jutis or whatever they are called, I got them from Rajasthan, so I don't have any link to it obviously. I got them from some local shop there. वहाँ पे 200-250 में आ गया था. And the last one are from Reliance Footprints. I wore them so much last year in the wedding season, so they are all grossed out. These ones are so pretty and they are golden color. ये वो आगे से एक उंगली वाला type का footwear है, and they are very comfortable, very pretty, and you can wear them for longer hours. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.
I wanna leave it all behind. Say let's see, it's just you and